Hello guys, Naturally-Roshani here. Welcome again to my channel. Today is another Vlogmas number 9. Today I'll share some things that I got from the my son's school. That, like, they always have these days where like they give out like vegetables and fruits to the community, because yeah, they're trying to be supportive to their to the children, to the children's family. So this is what we got. So we got some of these fruits. We got like pomegranates. We also have some um oranges. We have some apples. We got some collard greens or kale. We got some onions. We also got some potatoes and sweet potatoes. We also got some collard greens, both collard greens and kale. We also got some Brussels sprouts, which I don't like. I'm gonna have to give those away to the neighbors, cause child, I don't like those things. They don't even. Oh Lord, no butter, nothing will make them taste good. Like seriously, I don't like Brussels sprouts. However, they are so healthy for you. But yeah, so here are the kale or the collard greens. So we also got some. So basically, that's it. So we got oranges, apples, pomegranate, collard greens, kale, Brussels sprouts, and I think that's all. So that I'm just, showing you guys the things that we got because I just love the greenery, potatoes. I love the greenery. Like it just when you see like the greens and everything, like it just shows, like it just speaks volumes of healthiness and just healthiness and just super good for your body. The Brussels sprouts are so good for your body. However, I don't like them. I don't like the way they taste. Like I've tried to put them in the oven and like burnt them or whatever, to have that crispy taste, but no, no. The carrots, yes, that's the other thing I forgot about the carrots. Yes, so that's about it, guys. So after this video, I'm gonna start doing another video about my son's hair. I'm gonna start doing a wash day for their hair. I actually skipped my wash day this Friday because I was super tired and I just wanted to concentrate on their hair. So yes, I'm gonna do that after this video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Guys, just look at how greenery, like seriously, it just speaks so much voluminous of like healthy and just great stuff for your body. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna see you next on the next clip. Hey guys, it's Saturday. My Saturday is done. I am done with today's vlog, guys. So day number 10, I'm done vlogging this Saturday. I'm gonna show you guys my actually this is my late lunch. Yes, I'm gonna show you that because the kids already ate. It's just me, I haven't eaten yet. So I'm gonna show you guys my lunch and I'm done for the day. Alright y'all, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace. Bye bye.